Hello everyone, welcome to my online class for class 11. That was this one is my third class. आज हम लोग इस क्लास में कुछ और ग्राफ देखेंगे सबसे पहले और फिर हम लोग एक नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे दैट इज वेक्टर। और इस वीडियो में हम लोग जो मेनली देखेंगे दैट इज साइन कॉस टेन कॉट सेक एंड कोसेक का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना। और इसमें स्पेशली हम लोग दो ग्राफ का नेचर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। वन इज द साइन, अनदर वन इज द कॉस, एंड दिस टू आर कॉल्ड साइनोसॉइडल बिकॉज ये जो दो ग्राफ है साइन एंड कॉस, इसका हम लोग बहुत कुछ देखेंगे अच्छा से, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर बेसिस करके पूरा वेब थ्योरी है। वेब थ्योरी में देखो क्लास 11 में तुम्हारा दो पूरा टॉपिक 10 मार्क्स का ऑसिलेशन एंड वेव्स है। फिर तुम्हारा क्लास 11 में या क्लास 12 में ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट में है, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स में है, ऑप्टिक्स में है। सो दिस टू स्पेशली साइन एंड कॉस दे आर वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। सबसे पहले देखो साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा अगर हम लेते हैं, इस साइन थीटा और कॉस थीटा का मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू होता है -1 एंड 1 मीन्स 1 इज द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, -1 इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू फॉर बोथ। हाँ, तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे अगर आप ये ग्राफ देखोगे, हम लोग ये y एक्सिस है, ये y एक्सिस है और ये मानो थीटा है, थीटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ x एक्सिस, और यहाँ पे x एक्सिस की जगह पे थीटा लिया है। तो 1 + 1 एंड -1 दिया है, मतलब अपर लिमिट एंड लोअर लिमिट, इससे बाहर ये जाएगा नहीं। अब हम लोग शुरू करेंगे 0 से, और शुरू करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या करेगा, हम लोग भी 0 से स्टार्ट करेगा। अब देखो 0 से 90 डिग्री जब हम लोग जाएंगे, साइन 91 हमें मालूम है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट एंड द वैल्यू इज पॉजिटिव, मतलब साइन 0 इज 0, साइन 90 इज 1। 0 से 90 के बीच में जैसे जैसे हम लोग वैल्यू बढ़ाएगा साइन का वैल्यू बढ़ेगा। फिर 90 से जब हम लोग 180 पे आएगा, देखो 90 से 180 पे आया तो साइन 180 इज 0, सो 1 से लेके 0 तक आएगा, बट इन द सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट साइन इज पॉजिटिव, तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट साइन इज पॉजिटिव। जब हम लोग फिर पाई से 3π/2 जाएगा, साइन 3π/2 इज -1, सो 0 से -1 जाएगा तब थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो 0 से वैल्यू इज कंटिन्यूअस बिकॉज देखो साइन 180 and 3π/2 and pi and 3π/2, so many infinite number of values are there, so it's continuous. Now 3π/2 to 2π, this is the fourth quadrant, again -1 to 0. Same thing if you reverse it, so मुझे सबसे पहले मिलेगा -π/2 मतलब माइनस नेगेटिव, फिर -π से -π/2 से -1 से 0 नेगेटिव। Now -π से -3π/2, second quadrant 0 से 1 and 3π/2 से -2π, that is -1 to 0। तो ये है आपका साइन का ग्राफ। तो इस ग्राफ में, इस ग्राफ से हमें बेसिकली आइडिया क्या लगाना है, हमें बेसिकली आइडिया लगाना है कि साइन का ग्राफ ऐसा होगा। If we have y equals to sin theta, we can write in that manner. ये 2π, ये π। अगर हम इसको कह दे कि y is sin 2 theta, अब देखो क्या है, जब मेरा y is sin 2 theta, तो अब मेरा पाई में एक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, तुम लोग बोलोगे सर कुछ समझ नहीं आया। देखो when we put sin 0 it is 0, when we put sin 45 degree it will be 90 degree। तो देखो sin 45 पे 90 डिग्री एंड sin 90 पे अब कितना हो गया, sin 90 इज 180 डिग्री, सो ये हो गया π/2, ये हो गया 3π/2। तो बेसिकली क्या हो गया, बेसिकली देखो ये क्या हो गया, sin 2 थीटा मतलब ये 2 टाइम्स कॉम्प्रेस हो गया। अगर हम sin 3 थीटा लिखता तो ये 3 टाइम्स कॉम्प्रेस हो जाता। सो यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन sin थीटा एंड sin 2 थीटा, कॉम्प्रेस 2 टाइम्स। अगर sin 3 थीटा होता तो 0 to 2π में 3 साइन का ग्राफ होता, sin 4 थीटा 4 ग्राफ होता। सिमिलरली अगर मैं लिखूं y इक्वल्स टू माइनस साइन थीटा, तो मेरा ग्राफ क्या होगा, जस्ट उल्टा हो जाएगा। सो यू अंडरस्टैंड कि रफ आइडिया मेरा क्या होना चाहिए, मेरे को ग्राफ कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे साइन का। साइन थीटा होने से क्या ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे, साइन 2 थीटा। मानो मेरे पास है y इज साइन 3 थीटा, तो मुझे पहले अंदाज करना पड़ेगा, ये पाई है, ये 2 पाई है, इसमें मेरे को 3 ग्राफ चाहिए, 1 2 3। हम लोग ने अप्रोक्स में बोला। सो यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू से। नाउ द सेकंड ग्राफ इज cos. Now the second graph is cos. Now the second graph is cos. So in cos what happened? In cos what happened? Cos 0 is 0. Cos 0 is, sorry, cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1, and cos 90 is 0. So 1 से 0 की तरफ गया, 1 से 0 की तरफ गया। अब 90 से जब हम लोग 180 की तरफ जाएगा, cos 180 is -1। सो हम लोग क्या करेगा, -1 पे गया। अब पाई से जब 3π/2 पे जाएगा, सो फिर cos 3π/2 is 0 एंड द वैल्यू इज नेगेटिव। एंड नाउ 3π/2 से जब हम लोग 2π की तरफ जा रहा है, तो 0 to +1, सो 0 to +1। सिमिलरली इसको हम अगर रिवर्स कर देगा, सो -π/2 में इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा 0। cos 0 is 1, तो ये 1 से ये आया, फिर -π पे इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा -1, फिर -1 से ये आ जाएगा -3π/2, इसका वैल्यू 0, और फिर यहां से जब ये आएगा इसका वैल्यू हो जाएगा +1। सो बेसिक आइडिया हम क्या लगाएगा, मेरा अगर कॉस का ग्राफ है, एक साइड में ये, दोनों साइड में होगा, तो ये मेरा ग्राफ आ गया है। सो मैं अगर एक साइड को हटा देता हूँ, सिर्फ एक साइड को लेता हूँ, तो ये कैसा दिखेगा, y इक्वल्स टू कॉस थीटा। ये हो गया मेरा 2π, ये हो गया 3π/2, ये हो गया पाई, ये हो गया π/2, ये हो गया 0, और ये हो गया 0 1। अब तुम अगर बोलोगे कि सर अगर हम इसमें cos 2 थीटा लिखें, देखो हम करके ड्रॉप पे लिखा रहा है, y इज cos 2 थीटा। तो अब क्या हो गया, यहाँ पे ये कंप्लीट करेगा, तो यहाँ तक में ये एक ग्राफ कंप्लीट करेगा, तो π/2 में इसका ये हो जाएगा। So it will look like this one complete, this 2 complete. So within this it will complete 2. Hope you understand. फिर अगर हम बोले कि सर हमें y इक्वल्स टू -cos थीटा का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, तो मेरे दिमाग में सबसे पहले आइडिया आएगा कि इट विल बी लुक लाइक दिस। होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू से। Yes. Now I give you this 4 graph as a homework. First one is y equals to tan theta. Next second one is y is cot theta. Third one is y is cosec theta. Fourth one is y is sec theta. And the range is -2π to 2π. जैसे मैंने क्या वाला किया था, देखो ऐसे करके -2π to +2π। तो तुम्हें भी -2π से लेके +2π के बीच में ये 4 ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है। एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, किसी का भी हेल्प नहीं लेना है, कोई मैथ्स टीचर किसी का नहीं, क्योंकि अगर कोई तुमको बाह्य हेल्प कर रहा है, वो हेल्प तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ, मैं भी अभी ड्रॉ कर सकता हूँ। तुम लोग खुद से सीखोगे। अगर तुम लोगों से नहीं बना तो लास्ट ऑप्शन, अगर तुम लोगों से नहीं बना, व्हेन यू ऑल आर सरेंडर, तो मैं हूं ना। सो डोंट वरी, मैं हूं, ये चारों ग्राफ मैं ड्रॉ कर सकता हूं। तो बट यू ऑल ट्राई एंड देन आई गिव यू कि हाउ यू solve it, and it's a very interesting graph, especially these two are very interesting graph। हाँ, तो try it। ये मेरा इस टॉपिक का होमवर्क है, और इसके साथ मैं और 2 वीडियो भेजूंगा which is related with the vector, उसका भी जस्ट छोटा सा पार्ट दिया है, और उसमें भी मैं 2-3 होमवर्क देगा। दैट इज मेरा 3rd क्लास है। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय, स्टे एट होम। Hello everyone, welcome to my online channel online classroom for class 11. The topic is vector. Before we start, let's discuss about vector. देखो physical quantity किसको कहते हैं? Physical quantities are those quantities which we can able to measure. So those kind of quantities which we can able to measure, they all are physical quantity. Like force we can measure, force is a vector quantity. Mass we can measure, mass is a vector quantity. Mass is a physical quantity. Time we can measure. So whatever we can measure, these all are physical quantity. अब क्या है देखो, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को हम लोग स्पेशली दो पार्ट में डिवाइड करते हैं. स्पेशली हम बोल रहे हैं कि और भी अदर क्राइटेरिया है, बट इन जनरलाइज फॉर्म we can measure the physical quantity in two forms. One is the scalar quantity, another one is the vector quantity. So what is scalar quantity? Physical quantities which have only magnitude, they are called scalar quantities. Vector quantities किसको कहेंगे? Physical quantities which have magnitude as well as direction, and they can follow addition of vector or the triangle rule of vector addition. They are called vector quantity. अब देखो, so in general what happened up to class 10 आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि scalar quantity का addition, subtraction, multiplication we all know very well because it's simple, the magnitude. So we can know how to add, subtract, multiple, divide of the scalar quantity. But जब हम लोग vector quantity का addition, subtraction, multiplication, division ये सब करेंगे, so we have to follow a new mathematical form. That's why it's a very very important. So first of all, what is vector? Vector is a physical quantity which have magnitude. Any physical quantity which have magnitude as well as direction, they are called vector quantity. अब देखो, अगर हम वेक्टर क्वांटिटी का सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन करें, कोई भी एक वेक्टर हम लोग ले रहे हैं, सपोज ए, इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए वी कैन राइट ए बी सी पी क्यू आर एफ एनी. जब हम लोग ऐसे करके लिख रहे हैं, दैट इज द मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट, एंड व्हेन वी पुट एरो ऑन द हेड, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेक्टर. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट हैज मैग्नीट्यूड एज वेल एज डायरेक्शन. सो ये होगा मेरा सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अ वेक्टर. We can represent magnitude as well as direction. Now if we want to represent graphical representation of vector, suppose ये मेरा ईस्ट डायरेक्शन है, ये मेरा वेस्ट डायरेक्शन है, ये मेरा नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन है, मेरा साउथ डायरेक्शन है, and suppose we represent this is 5 Newton force makes an angle 30 degree. So देखो, 5 Newton is the magnitude and 30 degree is the angle with the east north, means it making an angle 30 degree with the east, but the direction is towards the north. Similarly, suppose we put it here 10 Newton and it makes an angle suppose 60 degree. So this is the graphical representation of vector, means magnitude as well as direction. So now, before we start vector, some basic vectors are there. Like, what do you mean by equal vector? Some very simple definition. If we have two vectors, suppose this one is A vector, this one is B vector. If these two vectors are exactly equal in magnitude and they are represented in the same direction, or they are in the same direction, then we can say they are equal vector. Means exactly equal magnitude and in the same direction. Similarly, if we say negative vector, what do you mean by that? See, if we have two vector A and vector B, exactly equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, exactly equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, then they are negative vector of each other. Similarly, suppose we can write parallel vector. So you can say equal vector and negative vector, they all are parallel vectors because they are in the same parallel line. So all equal vector and parallel line vector, even that negative vector is also a parallel vector. Next, if we write coplanar vector, what do you mean by coplanar vector? If all vectors are in the same plane, they are called, suppose A is a vector, B is a vector, C is a vector, these all vectors are in the same plane, so that's why they are called coplanar vector. Now co-initial vector, if their initial points are same, then it's called co-initial vector. So these are very basic terms, but from where we start, that topic is very important. देखो अभी हम लोग जो पढ़ने वाले हैं, that is very important. Addition of two vector. What do you mean by addition of two vector? Suppose we have A एक vector है and B we have another vector and we have to add these two vector. So let R is the resultant of these two vector. We can add them by A plus B. So this addition, that's why it's called the addition of two vectors. So we can add them by two process. One is called the triangle rule of vector addition. Another one is called the law of parallelogram. So in the first one, we can try to make it triangle rule of vector addition. So in triangle rule, suppose we have a vector. This is the tail of the vector, this is the head of the vector, and we have another vector B. So we can put this vector in that manner that the head of the first vector connects with the tail of the second vector. I think you understand, the head of the first vector connecting with the tail of the second vector. Now, so that means that theta is the angle between these two vectors A and B. Now if we connect them by a straight line, which one? The initial vector of A and the final head of the vector B, means the initial point and final point, if we connect it by a straight line, then we get the resultant vector. Now this is O, this is A, this is B, and we draw a normal, let it be D, this angle is 90 degree, and this resultant vector makes an angle, let phi, with the initial vector A. So now, see, in triangle ABD, B is the hypotenuse. So now we know along the basis cos perpendicular with the basis sine. So what we can say, this is B cos theta and this one is B sine theta. So along the basis cos perpendicular with the basis sine. So now in triangle OBD, see, we have to find out the magnitude. So what we can write, OB square, that is equals to the base, that is OB square plus BD square. Now in this OD square, what we have, A plus B cos theta whole square. In BD, what we have, B sin theta whole square. So, and this OB is what we can write, R square. So A square plus B square cos square theta plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. So from here A square, we can take B square common. So cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2AB cos theta. So what we have, A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Now if we want to find out the magnitude of R, that is A square B square 2AB cos theta. That is the resultant vector. So see, what is the basic difference in the normal addition of two vectors? Normal addition, A plus B means A plus B, but here A plus B means A square plus B square plus 2AB and the cos of the angle between them. Then you get the resultant magnitude. Now when you get the magnitude, next is how can you find out the angle? So from the same triangle, tan phi, we use phi because we already use here tan theta. So perpendicular by base. So what we write, BD by OD. BD is how much? B sine theta. OD is how much? OD is OA plus AD. So we can write A plus B cos theta. So phi is how much? Phi is tan inverse B sine theta by A plus B cos theta. So if we see both of them properly, what we find, the resultant magnitude is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, and the resultant angle is B sin theta by tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Now if you want to draw law of parallelogram, suppose A is a vector and B is a vector and they make an angle theta. Means what is the basic difference between the triangle law and law of parallelogram? In triangle law we connect head of the first vector with the tail of the second vector. Here we connect tail with the tail. Now if we make a parallel line of B and parallel line of A, so what we have, this A vector is parallel to A and B vector parallel to B because they are equal vector. Now again if we connect this one, so let it be O, let it be A, let it be B, this angle is phi, let it be AB, let it be C, and if we draw a normal, let it be D. So देखो basically everything is exactly same. अगर हम इसको हटा दें, so ये triangular vector addition ही है, just it look like a parallelogram, so it's called a law of parallelogram. Everything is exactly same. This angle is theta, so this angle is also theta. So this is A cos theta along the base. This is not AB, and this is B sin theta. So now this derivation and this everything is exactly same. In case of law triangular vector addition, you draw the previous one figure, and in case of law of parallelogram, you draw this figure, but the derivation is exactly same. Okay, so now we know if we have two vector A and B and makes an angle theta, then resultant vector is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta, and the phi is tan inverse B sin theta by A plus B cos theta. Now important note. Suppose theta is 0 degree. What do you mean by theta is 0 degree? Vector A and vector B, they are in the same direction. So when A and B are in the same direction, then the angle is 0, and we know then cos 0 degree is 1. So R is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. That is cos theta is cos 0. So A square plus B square plus 2AB, that is A plus B whole square, that is A plus B. Case 1. Now case 2. Suppose theta is 180 degree. What do you mean by that? Vector A and vector B, they are opposite direction. Hence makes an angle 180 degree. And we know cos 180 degree is minus 1. So what we have, R is A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 180 degree, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Why? Because cos phi is minus 1. So what we have, the root under A minus B whole square, that is A minus. अब देखो इसका मतलब this is the maximum range and this is the minimum range. मतलब दो वेक्टर का एडिशन का मैक्सिमम वैल्यू A प्लस बी हो सकता है और मिनिमम वैल्यू A माइनस बी हो सकता है. तो इसलिए मैं इसको मैक्सिमम और इसको मैं मिनिमम लिख सकता हूँ. मतलब whatever be the value, if the theta is not given, whatever be the value, that can be that value is lie in between these two. Case 3, if theta is 90 degree, so what we can write, cos 90 degree is 0, so what we can write, a square plus b square plus 2ab cos 90 degree, which is a square plus b square. So you can see here, if two vector are 90 degree, so then by using Pythagoras also we can get a square plus b square equals to, resultant is a square plus b square. Okay, so now I show you how you solve numerical. Like the first question is, two vectors 4 unit and 3 unit makes an angle 20 degree and 102 vector. This is suppose y-axis, this is suppose x-axis. Two vector 4 unit and 3 unit makes an angle 4 unit. 4 unit, how much angle? 20 degree, and 3 unit makes an angle 110 degree. So let it be 3 unit, and this angle is 110. So two vector 4 unit and 3 unit makes an angle 120 and 110 with the x-axis. Find the magnitude and direction of the resultant with the x-axis. So now see, you can, here we use the law of parallelogram because we connected tail with the tail. You can add head with the tail also, but I think this one is easy to connect tail with the tail. Now from the law of parallelogram, we have to draw parallel to this line, parallel to this line, and if we connect them, we get the resultant vector. And as this is 20 degree and this angle is 110 degree, what we can say, this angle is 90 degree. So that means what we can write, the resultant is 4 square, 3 square, 2 into 4 into 3 into cos 90 degree. So that is 4 square plus 3 square, that part is 0. What we have, 25, that is 5. Now resultant makes an angle 5 with the base angle. So what we write, tan phi base, this one is base, this is perpendicular. So b sin theta formula, b is what, this one is b and this one is a, according to that. So b is 3 sin 90 degree by 4 plus 3 cos 90 degree. So what you have, 3 by 4, so phi is 37 degree. You all remember 3 by 4 is 37 degree, 4 by 3 is 53 degree. Now one more question. Suppose the question is maximum and minimum value of the resultant of the two forces acting on a point are 7 Newton and 3 Newton. So we have two forces F1 and F2. The maximum value of these two forces, what do you mean by maximum? We add them 7 Newton, and minimum value is how much? 3 Newton. So what is the question? Find the value of the smaller force. So you now understand how much easy these questions are. 10 Newton. F1 is how much? 5 Newton. So F2 is how much? 2 Newton. So which one is the smaller one? This one is the smaller one. Hope you understand how you solve this type of numerical. I give you some assignments related to that also. Okay, one more question. If the resultant of two forces 3P and 2P, 3P and 2P is R, so what we can write, R is 3P square, 2P square, 2 into 3P into 2P cos theta. If the first force is double, then the resultant is also double. Find the angle between the two forces. We don't know the angle between the two forces, so let the angle is theta. Now if the first force is double, then the resultant is also double. The resultant is 2R and first force is double, means 3p becomes 6p plus 2p square equals to 2 into 6p into 2p cos theta. So what you have, that is equals to 36p square 4p square 24p square cos theta, that is 40p square plus 24p square cos theta, and 2r, in place of r you can write this, or it's better, square. So 4r square is 40p square plus 24p square cos theta. 4r, r is how much? This one is 9 plus 4, not 13p square plus 12p square cos theta. So square 13p square plus 12p square cos theta is this one, 40p square plus 24p square cos theta, which means 4 3 4 12 52p square 12 24 48 48p square cos theta is 40p square plus 24p square cos theta. So what you have, move in this one, 48 minus 24p square cos theta, 40p square minus 52p square. So what you have, minus 12p square, p square you can cancel, cos theta minus 12 by 24, 1 by 2, and when cos theta is 1 by minus 120, 1 by minus 1 by 2, theta is 120 degrees. So the angle between the two forces, two forces 120 degrees. Thank you.